welcome back. I need to dekit this painting from Diamond Art Club, Fleeting and Forever by Katie Berggren. This is a round. It is a 56 by 56 centimeter. I started this on September 4th of 25 and I finished it on September 19th of 25. It is a round. It is this beautiful kit. You will see it in the upcoming finishing of the month of what I worked on. But I need to dekit this because I want to kit up another round because I have a lot of squares kitted up right now and sometimes you just need something a little different. So we're going to kit this up. I am going to fast forward. My allergies are like really kicking my butt right now. And I'm listening to an audiobook. I'm actually starting a new audiobook today. It's The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. So yeah, we're gonna listen to this for a little bit while I dekit, and then I will come back at the end when I need to put the 4 ABs away because it has a different container that I have here. The container I have is from the Flawsomecrafter. Let me move this. This is the container I have. It came with the dividers and all of the cards. This is my round drill storage. These little baggies I got off of Amazon. I will link everything down below. And I do have, if I don't have any, put these right here. If I don't have any of the whatchamacallit, if I don't have the DMC already in here or it does not match, I have a bunch of these sheets from Add More Zest, and these are all the DMC numbers. So alright, I'm going to fast forward this and I will see you guys here shortly. So I finished the main part. This is also from the Flawsomecrafter, and these are also from Add More Zest. I do have my notebook here, my logbook next to me to help figure out where these little ones go. So 106 is 712. Oops. And I don't have, maybe I do. 712, 106 here. These bags, again, are also from Amazon. I like to have the iridescent ones. It makes it easier to differentiate between my, oops, that's not what I wanted. My ABs and stuff. I do have some crystals in here from what is the name of that shop? Oh, Craftedly. All right, so I have 1, 2, 6 is 211. Pretty sure I have. Oh, maybe not. I do. I thought I did. 211. So I also have the DMC and I have the AB on here. Let's see, 131 is 972. And I don't think I actually have that one. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's see, y'all. What is it? 972. I do have it here. Oh, that's 973. It's 130, yeah. So I don't actually have 972. One of these guys. Okay, I'm gonna pull out these 972 and 1. Here we go. Come on. So we're gonna do 972, 131. Oh gosh, come on. That. Okay. So that's that one, and then I have 135, which is 38.19. So 38.19. I don't actually have either. Okay, so I need 135. And I need 38.19. And just like that, I have finished de-kitting this painting, so we can kit up another one, another round. I have I have 3 squares kitted up right now, so I don't have a lot of round paintings anyways. I am a square girly. I like squares, but I do want to get another round one kitted up because they really don't take me any time, and they're sometimes a nice little like palette cleanser. So that is that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.